Apple is shaking things up with its latest budget-friendly iPhone. After years of sticking with the SE series, the company is introducing the iPhone 16e, bringing some surprising upgrades. But with so many strong competitors in the mid-range market, does it truly offer enough to stand out? The last iPhone SE launched in 2022, and since then, Apple has taken its time crafting a worthy successor. Now, the iPhone 16e is here, and one of the biggest changes is the display. It features a 6.1-inch OLED screen, officially moving Apple away from LCD panels across all its models. While that's a major step forward, the 60Hz refresh rate might feel limiting, especially since many Android phones in this range offer at least 90Hz or even 120Hz. The design has also been refreshed, now looking much closer to Apple's flagship devices. The home button is gone, replaced with Face ID, giving it a more modern feel. Another notable change is the introduction of the Action button, replacing a traditional ring/silent switch, a feature first seen on the iPhone 15 Pro models. With an aluminum frame and ceramic shield glass, it has a much more premium look and feel compared to previous budget iPhones. Apple has also made some big changes in the camera department. The iPhone 16e comes with a single 48-megapixel rear camera, a significant upgrade from past SE models. It even includes a 2x telephoto zoom, allowing for better close-up shots without losing detail. On the front, there's a 12-megapixel selfie camera designed for clear video calls and sharp photos. While this setup is an improvement, it's still a step below what Apple offers in its Pro models. However, for everyday users who just want good quality pictures and videos without extra complexity, this camera will get the job done. Battery life is another area where Apple has made improvements. Though the exact battery size hasn't been officially confirmed, leaks suggest it's around 3279 mAh. Apple claims it lasts 6 hours longer than the iPhone 11 and 12 hours longer than previous SE models, which is a significant boost. As for charging, it supports up to 20 watts when using a wired USB-C connection and up to 15 watts wirelessly. While these speeds are decent, some competing brands offer much faster charging options in this price range. One of the biggest highlights of the iPhone 16e is its focus on AI-powered features. It's equipped with Apple's A18 chipset, the same processor found in the standard iPhone 16, and comes with 8 GB of RAM. Storage options include 128, 256, and 512 GB. With this hardware, Apple Intelligence brings several new AI-driven tools to make everyday tasks easier. Siri is now smarter and more conversational, capable of handling more complex requests. Safari includes an intelligent search feature that highlights important information on web pages, while the Mail app now offers smart replies for quicker responses. Messages also benefit from AI, making chats more intuitive. Another new feature in Photos allows users to remove unwanted objects from pictures with impressive accuracy. On the connectivity side, Apple has introduced its first in-house 5G modem, aiming for better speed and reliability. Other useful features include satellite messaging, emergency SOS, roadside assistance, and location sharing through Find My. Crash detection is also built in, automatically calling for help in case of a serious accident. As for pricing, the iPhone 16e starts at $599 for the 128GB model, with the 256GB version priced at $699 and the 512GB variant at $899. Pre-orders begin on February 21, and the official release is scheduled for February 28. Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest in tech. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Have you ever imagined just how slim a smartphone can get without sacrificing its performance? Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge may be on the brink of answering that question, but there's a twist to the story. The Galaxy S25 Edge is poised to give Apple's iPhone 17 Air a run for its money. Both of these upcoming smartphones are expected to wow us with their incredibly slim designs, but the real question is, how slim can they go while still offering the powerful features we expect from premium devices? The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be around 6.25 millimeters thick, while the Galaxy S25 Edge could potentially come in even thinner at 6.4 millimeters, with some speculations hinting that it may be as thin as 5.8 millimeters. But let's not focus solely on how thin these phones are. There's also something else to consider. OnePlus is preparing to unveil the Open 2, which could be as thin as 4 millimeters when unfolded. Yes, a foldable phone at just 4 millimeters. However, let's return to the Galaxy S25 Edge, which has sparked plenty of buzz due to its early performance results. Recently, the Galaxy S25 Edge appeared on Geekbench, a well-known benchmarking tool that evaluates a phone's performance by testing its processor, graphics, and overall speed. It measures how well a device handles multitasking, gaming, and overall performance. The first test results for the Galaxy S25 Edge were exactly consistent, with a score of 3005 in the single-core test and 6945 in the multi-core test. But more recent results have shown a notable shift. The updated benchmarks show that the Galaxy S25 Edge scored 2,806 in the single-core test, slightly lower than before, but it achieved a much stronger score of 8,416 in the multi-core test. This suggests that the phone could be more efficient at handling multiple tasks at once, which is a major plus for those who use their phones for gaming or multitasking. That said, it's important to remember that these are early test results and the device isn't official yet, so these figures should be taken with a pinch of salt. Performance aside, Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to feature some impressive specs, including a 200-megapixel main camera that will surely appeal to photography enthusiasts. On the front, the phone will likely sport a 12-megapixel selfie camera. The display will be equipped with an LTPO panel that offers a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. If that's not bright enough for you, I'm not sure what is. For durability, Samsung is expected to include an Armor aluminum frame and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, making the Galaxy S25 Edge resistant to drops and scratches. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Edge will likely be powered by 12 GB of random access memory, RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring that the device runs fast and efficiently, even when handling large files and apps. It will also feature support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB-C 3.2, ensuring quick data transfer and seamless connectivity. In terms of charging, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to support 25-watt charging speeds. While this might not be the fastest charging solution available, it should be more than enough for quick top-ups throughout the day. As for the processor, while it hasn't been officially confirmed, it's likely that the Galaxy S25 Edge will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, with Samsung likely sticking with Qualcomm for this generation. We might see Exynos chips return in the Galaxy S26, but for now, the Snapdragon 8 Elite seems like the safer choice. One thing to keep in mind is the battery. While the battery might be smaller than previous models, the Snapdragon 8 Elite's efficiency should allow the Galaxy S25 Edge to last all day without any major issues. At least it better. If you're as excited about the Galaxy S25 Edge as I am, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have you been waiting for the One UI 7 update on your Samsung phone? The wait could be nearly over. For the past few months, Samsung fans have been on edge, watching as Galaxy S24 series owners enjoy the beta version of the upcoming update. Meanwhile, millions of other users have been stuck on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, wondering when they'll finally get their hands on the new version. Well, the end of the wait might be closer than we think. Although Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the exact release date, there are several strong indicators that the update could roll out very soon. A key clue is the upcoming launch of the Galaxy S25 series. These new flagship devices will ship with One UI 7 already installed,